Hello students, welcome to Sure Success classes. In this session, we will learn multiplication. We know multiplication is nothing but repeated addition. If we add 7 plus 7 plus 7, we will get our answer 21. And in multiplication, this 7 is 3 times here. 7 by 3. This by means multiplication. 7 into 3 we will get 21. 7 3s are 21. Means multiplication is nothing but repeated addition. Multiplication, you should keep in mind the table should be perfect to solve multiplication in short span of time. Students, let's go for some basic examples with short tricks so that we can solve such type of examples very quickly. Our first example is 4 into 50. Here we will put this 0 as it is and multiply these two digits. 4 into 5 we will get 20. We will write this answer beside this 0, 20. So 4 multiplied by 50 we will get 200. Similarly, we will solve these examples. Here 6 multiplied by 70. We will put this 0 here and 6 into 7. 6 7s are 42. So our answer will be 420. Now we will solve this. 3 multiplied by 20. Put this 0 here and multiply 3 into 2. We will get 6. We will write this 6 here. Our answer will be 60. Here put again this 0 here and 5 multiplied by 8 we will get 40. We will write this 40 beside this 0. So our answer will be 400. In such kind of examples, we will multiply one digit number to 3 digit number which have 2 zeros with it. So we will solve this example. Here we will put these zeros as it is and multiply these two numbers. 9 4s are 36. We will write 36 beside this 0. So our answer will be 3600. Similarly, we will solve these examples. Put this 0 here. 5 multiplied by 3 we will get 15. So 5 multiplied by 300 is equal to 1500. Next is 8 multiplied by 700. Put these two zeros as it is and 8 multiplied by 7 we will get 56. So our answer will be 5600. In this example, we will put these zeros as it is and 7 9s are 63. So 7 multiplied by 900 is equal to 6300. Students, let's clear the concept of multiplication through word problems. I am confident after solving these examples, you will understand the concept of multiplication in a better manner. Let's go through this example. In a notebook, there are 163 pages. How many pages are there in 4 such notebooks? Here, in a notebook means in one notebook there are 163 pages. And we are having such a 4 books. So we will multiply 163 by 4. Here we will get 4 multiplied by 3. 4 3s are 12. we will write here 2 and carry 1 here. 4 6 are 24 and 1 25. We will write 5 here and 2 will come here. 4 ones are 4 and this 2 we will get 6. So our answer is 652. Means in such 4 notebooks the pages are 652. Our next example is a man sells 203 chocolates every day. How many chocolates does he sell in 8 days? Here he sells 203 chocolates every day means in 1 day, and we are having here 8 days. So we will multiply this 203 by 8. Now solve this. 8 3s are 24. We will write 4 here and carry this 2 here. 8 zeros are 0 and so this 2 will remain as it is. 8 2s are 16. So our answer is 1624. Means he sells 1624 chocolates in 8 days. Let's go for next example. A matchbox has 108 matchsticks. How many matchsticks are there in 7 such matchboxes? Here in a matchbox has 108 means in one matchbox there are 108 matchsticks. So we have to multiply here 108 by 7. 7 8s are 56. 5 will come here. 7 zeros are 0 and 5 will remain as it is. 7 1s are 7. So our answer will be 756. Next example is one packet contains 246 pencils. How many pencils are there in 5 such packets? Here we have pencils in one packet. Those are 246 and we are having here such a 5 packets. So we will multiply this number by 5. 5 6 are 30. So we will put here 0 and 3 will come here. 5 4s are 20. 20 and this 3 23. So 3 will come here and again 2 goes here. 5 2s are 10 and this 2 will become 12. So our answer is 1230 pencils are there in 5 such packets. Students, look at this example carefully. A dozen bananas means 12 bananas. Here this dozen is counting unit which contains 12 number in it. Next is how many bananas are there in 14 dozen. Means here we have to multiply this 12 by this 14. First we will multiply this 12 by 4. 4 2s are 8 and 4 1s are 4. This one is at a tens place, so we will put 0 here. 1 2s are 2, 1 1s are 1. Then we will add this. Here comes 8, 4 plus 2 6 and this one remain as it is. So our answer is 168. Means 168 bananas in 14 dozens. This appeal is to students as well as their parents. Kindly subscribe my channel and don't forget to press bell icon. If you have any query or suggestion, kindly mention in comment box. Share this video with your friends. Thank you.